In this lecture, we are going to apply the colors from our attributes to the template of the block. Performing this step is nothing new. Therefore, I want you to try tackling this step as an exercise. As a hint, applying styles is as easy as modifying the styles of our elements. The background and text colors should be affected. Pause the video and give it a try. Good luck! Welcome back. Hopefully, you are able to apply colors to the block. Don't worry, we are going to go through the solution together. First, open the index.js file. Scroll to the edit function. We are going to update the useBlockProps function by passing in an object. Previously, we did not apply styles to the root element for the previous block. This was because the root element was the rich text component. It does not support custom styles from the edit function. However, things are different. The root element is a div tag. We can freely apply styles to this element. For this example, we are going to use the useBlockProps function to add styles to the element. Inside this object, add the style property. The value of this property will be an object. Each property will modify a CSS property. We are going to change two CSS properties called background color and color. Their values will be the BG color and text color attributes, respectively. After making those changes, let's refresh the experimental page in the browser. Next, let's add the search form block to the page. I'm going to attempt to modify the colors of our block. Both options should work on your end. As I'm changing the colors, the block's template will reflect those changes. However, there's one problem. The color of the button never changes. I think it should update along with the other elements. Head back to your editor. In the template, search for the button element. We can bind the style attribute to an object to dynamically apply styles. Let's set this attribute to an object. Inside this object, we can dynamically add properties. The properties are the same as before. For that reason, I'm going to copy and paste the properties from the useBlockProps function to the button's styles. After making those changes, let's try adding the block again. Next, let's try modifying the block's colors. This time, the button should update along with the other elements. Perfect! We've successfully finished the block. Before moving on to the next lecture, I'm going to save the post without the other blocks. The only block that should be on the page is the search form block. Once you've saved the post, let's start working on the block for the front end.